Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I thought I'd introduce you to some new arrivals for the coming year. See if I can get this done before the rain chases me out again. And what I'm talking about specifically is pineapples. I didn't get to eat any pineapples this summer, but I grew a bunch of them. They just happened to ripen and then rot while I was still in Idaho. These three you see right here are the tops from 3 of those. And, oh, incidentally, you see that little speck of green right there? That's one of the cuttings that I brought back from Idaho. I believe that one is a mulberry. Not certain yet, but there's one and possibly 2 of those cuttings that are starting to produce some vegetation for me. That pot right next to it, I believe, is the plum cuttings. So far I'm not seeing anything there. But back to pineapples. I got a pineapple there, one over there, a few more right next to it. 4 of those are from the knobs that I cut off of that one pineapple that kept growing knobs on it last year. The other one is from a top that I harvested pretty early in the year. So I got 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 new pineapples to add to the plantation. Hi, Snowflake. Hi. You heard me over here, huh? And on the subject of pineapples, this is the one that produced the largest pineapple over the summer. And as you can see, we've got a pup over here, another one over here. There's a small one popping up down there. There's another one over there. And I'm not sure, but there could even be one underneath this side somewhere. Though right at the moment I'm not seeing it. So there's 4 more I get to grow this year. This one over here also produced a pineapple over the summer. And it also has a pup coming out the side over here. They tend to create their own replacements whenever they produce a fruit. And this one here is another one that produced a pineapple over the summer. And it also has a little pup popping up here. This one over here, this is the one that produced a pineapple early in the year last year. And it's got a huge pup growing off of it. And then we have one over here. Still growing well, and you can't really see them too well, but back here in the back where I honestly have not finished clearing, we got one back in there, another one right there, one right there. That one in the container didn't make it. And a couple more back there hiding in the brush. And the rain's starting to get a little bit heavy, so I'm going to have to wrap this up real quick. So what I'm debating is replacing these 2 that are in these metal containers with a couple of the pups. That'll give them 2 or 3 years to grow before they'll produce a pineapple. And make this end of the garden look a lot better. But yeah, it looks like I'm going to have 12, 13, 14 pups, 15 pups to deal with. So net gain sounds like at least 2, maybe 3 over what I had at the beginning of the summer. So the plantation is going to be expanding a little bit. And that's it for now. Raindrops are getting a little bit bigger, and I got to get this camera out of the rain. So I'll see you next time.